Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lavender sugar. All you need is 200 grams of sugar, I'm using cane sugar here, and 3 tablespoons of lavender petals, a cute jar of at least 200 grams, I'm using two 100 gram jars, a food processor or a spice grinder. Please do not use a pestle and mortar like I did, because later on you will see that it wasn't really effective in achieving what we were trying to achieve, which was to open up the lavender petals a little bit. And you really don't want to grind it into a powder. You merely just want to open up the lavender petals just a little bit, just to bring out the flavor and the aroma. So after realizing that the pestle and mortar didn't work, I'm going to transfer it into a food processor here. And guys, you really don't want to blend it for too long. You just want to blend it for a few seconds. Like I said, you don't want to grind it into a powder. You merely just want to open up the petals. As you can see here, only some of them are ground up and some of them are still intact, or some are a little bit opened up, and that's really what we're going for here. So now I'm just going to transfer it into the sugar gradually and mix it. By the way guys, you can substitute this cane sugar for any type of sugar that you want, whether it's granulated sugar or caster sugar or brown sugar. It's completely up to you. It's just a matter of preference. I'm using cane sugar here simply because I found this recipe in a book and I didn't really feel like changing it. And that's it guys, that's all there is to it. Now we're just going to transfer it into a container, or 2 containers in my case. And for optimal flavor, I would recommend you to wait for at least 1 week before consuming the sugar. And you can keep this for up to 6 months in your pantry. And this sugar, like any other condiment, is very versatile guys. You can use it for a lot of things. You can use it to make a body scrub. You can use it for your cooking, for baking. You can make blueberry muffins with it, in cookies. You can add it in your tea or any type of fancy drink that you might think of. So yeah, you can really get creative with it. And you can really use this as a gift for yourself or even a loved one, because why not, right? And yeah, that's it guys. That's all for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you did make this recipe. And I am looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.